This Dark Yin Yang Gets Grounded video is requested by RKG. At this time, I guess it's a sequel to Dark Yin Yang making her lucario cry by hitting him, and the video is where Dark Yin Yang wakes up her lucario by setting off his alarm clock, and then he gets in serious trouble, and RKG has to comfort him. Well anyways, let's enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and turn on post notifications. As always, to the intro.
You are grounded for life.
Go to your room right now. I can't sleep. It's because I got grounded until the end of summer. I need to think of another plan. What should I do? Oh. I got it. Since it's night time, and everyone is in bed, I'm going to sneak into RKG's apartment and wake up a lucario by setting off his alarm clock. This will be so funny for sure. Ha 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 ha. Good. He's sleeping. Now I just need to pick up his alarm clock, and then turn it on. Let's do this. Okay, in 3, 2, 1. Now.
What? What happened? What's going on? Hey! Dark Yin Yang. What are you doing here? It's late at night. And how did you get here?
I woke you up. You should have seen the look on your face. That was priceless.
Dark Yin Yang. That's not funny. You know I need my sleep. You know what? I'm calling my partner RKG over here. You're so gonna get it now.
Oh.
RKG. Come here. I need you.
I'm coming, pal. Lucario, are you okay? Why are you awake at this hour, and why do you look so angry?
Well, I was sleeping so well, and then, Dark Yin Yang woke me up by setting off my alarm clock. Now I'm cranky because of him. Ugh.
He did what? Oh my goodness, thanks for telling me, pal. Don't worry, I'll deal with him. Dark Yin Yang, how dare you wake up my partner Lucario? You know waking people up is very rude. That's it, I'm calling the fan-made Yin Yang objects. Go home now.
Darn it. My plan backfired again. This is ridiculous.
Seriously, Dark Yin Yang? This is the second time you did something bad to RKG's lucario. First you made him cry, and now you woke him up.
You know waking people up is very rude. Plus, you're not supposed to sneak out of the house in the middle of the night.
That's it. You're grounded until Yin Yang reaches 400 subscribers. Go to your room right now. And go to bed since it's late at night.
You haven't seen the last of me. I'll get you back for this.
There, Lucario, it's okay. Dark Yin Yang is gone now. He'll never do anything bad to you ever again. I'll protect you from him, I promise.
Thank you, pal. You're the best.
You're welcome, pal.
I think I'm ready to go back to sleep. I'm very sleepy.
Okay, I'll tuck you in. There you go. Now I'll play a lullaby for you on my phone. Sweet dreams, Lucario. I'll see you in the morning.
A shout out goes to RKG for requesting me this Dark Yin Yang Gets Grounded video. Her comment will be pinned when she comments. Anyways, thanks for watching this video.